NLE Choppa is dropping a hood classic with his movie Nightmare on Cottonwood starring Charleston White, Funny Marco, Cenat, and more.
This Halloween, violence and rivalry riddle the streets of Cottonwood.
When I pull up on Choppa ass, I don't care who his ass with. They all gonna say hello to my little friend.
A turf war rages on.
Look how he get his ass whooped.
Look what this fool did to my face.
Damn! Something about this time of the year made me horny as fuck.
Is that why you ain't like me, fuck?
Would you just shut the fuck up and drive this motherfucking car?
Shut your bitch ass up, man, and go on this motherfucking drill.
You talking about fucking, right?
Why are you in my room?
Well, I could've hit Ice Spice way before she got famous.
Choppa and crew takes matters into his own hands.
Do you have dead niggas in your motherfucking house? Niggas call.
The Opsy slain have returned from the grave.
Someone conjure my services.
No.
This is some shit real.
Nightmare on Cottonwood.
Oh!
Damn, Ben Mark shot this too?
So NLE Choppa moved back to the hood to make a Tubi movie. I love to see this ninja Charleston White win, I don't care. I heard Sukiana gonna be in the movie as well. All they missing is the baby. Y'all be saying Tubi this and Tubi that, but it look like it's gonna be funny. I mean, just look at all these young black men coming together to make something happen. I support that. It's motivating, for real, for real. Yeah. Say, homie, I'm a movie star now. This might have me in tears from the time I push play. It's about time rappers start making movies again. Just put it like this, if I know Charleston White gonna be in it, it's gonna be funny as hell. Not gonna lie, they gotta get Desi Banks. Let me know what you guys think about the trailer in the comments. And don't forget to follow or subscribe for more sauce.